Shifting gears, before I started uh, working with the auto industry, I had never heard this word TISAX, right? But seems like these days, wherever I go, at least in the auto and auto
Auto, yeah.
ancillary space, specifically people servicing Europe, TISAX is kind of becoming the mantra. And
Yeah.
I know you've done a lot on that side of the house. For the audience on the call, just walk them through what TISAX means, how does it impact the industry, and why would someone look at having a standard like that followed and implemented in a company?
Sure. So I'll just keep it very simple. TISAX, if I am OEM in Europe and I have to find and get something made by a tier one supplier like us. So in auto, in any industry, I would say even airlines and all, you have to share your drawings and your specs.
Yep.
And then even that is one time, but after that is you already talking about the quality issues and ever changing field that we have. So how is that data that you're sharing with your OEM, with your tier one suppliers, is it safe?
Yeah.
What process and posture do they have to keep it secure
Keep it
till the time I have a relationship with that
right.
organization?
Right.
And TSAX is a framework which ensures that this happens. So there are like organizations like TUV and all. So these are all third party independent organizations which do not have a vested interest in this transaction. They go and they come and they do this assessment and they certify that as per our assessment, this organization or this site where you are producing this is a TSAX certified site.
So it is for every site that
Every site.
so every
So we
manufacturing
when we
plant.
we started with our corporate office. We did our R&D offices all across the globe. Then the places where we had immediate interest, where we are told that okay, you need to have TSAX, then only we do business with you. We started with those, and then we are expanding. So initial few years we were dependent on some specialist who will come because this was new to us.
Right.
And as you said, in 2020, when the Varroc and Sequretek relationship started, this is where we had also noticed that we have to certify ourselves with ISO 27001. So this was journey. It was a 3-year journey
Right.
because we had to prepare certain things before we can apply for ISO.
Right.
TSAX is built on ISO 27001. It's just so once you are ISO 27001, then you can apply for TSAX. So first you get your IT posture right, and then you apply for TSAX. So we have done that. We also got our internal IT team certified as an internal auditor on ISO 27001 first. We gave exam, people
Yeah, yeah.
certified, and now with TSAX we have 4 or 5 people who have already done that. So latest certificate we did was Vietnam. We did it ourselves, and only for the final audit we got TUV.
And what's the cycle like? You have to do it every year, every couple
So
of years to
once you
stay
get
correct.
certified,
Yeah,
then you have to get assessed every year
every year.
to
It's
keep the certificate. It's like any other
yeah.
certificate.
So you have to keep the honesty going.
Yeah.
So you can't just get away, as they
Right,
say.
right.
You go for a health checkup and you
Yeah.
you diet before it, and then you can go and splash. Won't
Yeah.
work this time.